Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook chicken liver igado. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper or peppercorn, and then water, oyster sauce, liver I marinated with a little soy sauce and black pepper, and then soy sauce, vinegar, and then carrots, bell pepper, tomatoes, and then bay leaf, spring onions, potatoes, peas, garlic, onions. The garlic, onions, the tomatoes, and the bell pepper, the bay leaf, pepper. I do put the carrots and potatoes, and then it's not a cook yet, but I want that the liver also will not overcook, so that's why I put them maybe how many minutes ahead before the liver. Okay, and the next, the soy sauce, because there's I marinated with soy sauce already, peppercorn, oyster sauce. We're gonna stir this one first. And add vinegar. Cover first. And we'll be right back. So guys, our chicken liver igado is done, guys. Look at that one. With this one. Okay, it's tasting time. It's yummy, guys. Okay, guys, so that's our chicken liver igado, carrots, potatoes, and then there's a lot of ingredients. And then, so thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Our chicken liver igado is done. It's super yummy.